Bienvenidos a todo. We are here today with Bernadette Hardy of Albuquerque's International District and co-chair of Ciclovia. Ciclovia is a way to get people out and active and to serve as a reminder that the streets are for all people. Bikers, walkers, strollers, all are welcome here. This week we are reclaiming the streets and showing off the resilient community of the International District.
Once upon a time.
So we have all the same size pallets here, and we got them from a dumpster, and we're going to take them to the house and get building. So now we're going to take them apart using a crowbar and a hammer, and we're going to put the slats closer together, and this will create the seat and the back, and this just is for comfort. You could leave them like that, but it's a little bit more comfortable when you don't have those wedges in between there. For comfort. So now we need to cut this pallet. So using the 4x4 structure, there's 3 rows of 4x4s. You're going to cut 1 row of 4x4 off, and you're going to use that for the back, but this is how it's going to look right here. So here we are just replacing some of the slats. We took off the damaged ones, fitting them closer together, and then we're going to cut the excess here off one of the seats. So here we're just showing you the structure of a pallet, and you can see the 3 rows of the 4x4s. You can see how we keep 2 intact and we cut 1 off. But we do use that one for the back of the bench. That's to support your back. And you can see here how it has the structure of it. Looking to the side, you see that measures 22.5. The back, and the seat measures 22.5. And those are 2 of those stacked together, which is the seat. And then at the bottom corner of the back is that very end part we cut off, just to add weight to the bottom so the bench don't flip over, but also lifts up the seat a little bit, the back a little bit, but also gives you something to put the screws. So that's really good wood right there that we used, the 4x4s for this bench. You can see the back there. So here on the bottom we put 4x4s, and we countersunk the screws. So what we did with that is we drilled a hole into the feet and then used the 6-inch screws to countersink them to put the feet on, so they're really structurally safe. And there's our bench, really comfortable. We did use parts of the scraps to build a different type of bench, and here it is right here. And this one's we added side feet, and this is just made of all scraps of the pallet. Thank you for watching our Ciclovia video and tutorial for bench building. Join us this weekend, Sunday, October 18th, for Ciclovia. All over the city of Albuquerque, you'll see some of these benches and some of the recharge stations. Get out and get active, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.
That's how we doing it, y'all. Doghouse. Get